Welcome to Origin LGNS. Step 1. Creating a wallet on the phone. Download the Token Pocket wallet. Works best with LGNS. If using a desktop, add Chrome Token Pocket extension while on your Google Chrome browser. Go to www.tokenpocket.pro/en. Then create a new wallet. Write down and keep your 12 words and password in a safe place. Make sure to select Network as Polygon Matic. Very important. Once you create your wallet, you will see a plus sign on the right side, above the Matic token value of 0.0. Click it. Add the following tokens: LGNS, DAI, and USDT. You will need Matic to start using your wallet. At the top, in the middle, is your wallet address for Token Pocket. It will be the same for all tokens listed above. Always copy wallet address. Do not write it down. There are 4 blue circles at the top, above your tokens. On the far right is your swap button, which is connected to QuickSwap. You may need it in the next step. Step 1A. Funding your wallet. We recommend you use only QuickSwap as we are connected to QuickSwap. It must end up on the Polygon network as DAI in your Token Pocket wallet. You can join with any amount of money, but we suggest you start with $125 worth of DIA, and you only need as little as 1.00 Matic. Step 2. Joining Origin. On the bottom right, there is a round Discover button. Click on Discover. At the very top of the next page, after copying the referral link of your sponsor, paste this link in the search bar. When the blue link populates below it, click on the blue link. It will take you to Origin in Web3. If you are working on a desktop, paste the link in your browser. Hit Enter. Click Connect Wallet on the pop-up in the center of your screen. It will cause Token Pocket to open. Click Confirm in Token Pocket. Follow all prompts. Some of the above steps differ slightly on your phone. Just follow the prompts. Then click on Join on the pop-up. Wait a few seconds for the command to process. Always make sure your wallet is connected. If it isn't, a red button saying Connect Wallet will appear. Click it. Step 3. Once in Origin, you will need to swap your DI to LGNS. Locate the top white arrow. To the right of it, you will see the Buy button in red letters. To locate on your phone, click the 3 white parallel lines on the top left. Buy is to the left in red letters below the Origin logo. Click on Buy. This is where you swap DAI to LGNS. Click on Max in red letters. Then next, click on Swap. Always wait a few seconds to let things process. These steps will need to be confirmed on the blue button in your Token Pocket, which will pop up always when you need to pay gas fees. Once swapped, go to Stake. Click the white arrow to locate Stake, or the 3 white lines on the top left on your phone. Click on Stake, and then click on Approve and Stake. It will move from unstaked to the warm-up sector. You are now earning rewards. In 16 hours you can claim, and it will move to Staked. It will automatically stake all future passive rewards unless you add funds or sponsor members. Congratulations and enjoy your earnings. To clear the system cache, go to Settings, System, Storage, configure Storage Sense or run it now. Clean now.